What else you got, huh? What's in here? What else you got? Huh? More eggs, looks like. What's in that egg? What's in there? You don't know? You really like that drink thing, huh? Easter Bunny must know you're stinky and you need a bath today. Not using bath toys. Isn't that right, Pig? Charlotte. What is Daddy doing? What is Daddy doing?
Triple A's.
Oh, triple A's?
Trip A's.
Looks like we'll have to get some.
Fail, Mommy. Fail.
I'm sorry we don't have those on hand. How was I supposed to know? What else you got in that basket, huh? Oh, you getting that drink again out of the basket? It's a good girl, baby. Happy first Easter! Happy first Easter! She's like taking it out and putting it back in like a new present.
What are those?
Is that a crayon? Baby crayons? Oh, got another one?
Go get us some paper.
Oh, she took the crayon out of the...
Oh, no. No. Put that back. Put that back.
Gotta take everything apart when you get it, huh, Pig? Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. What's Daddy doing, huh? That's your name. Daddy wrote your name. She's like, gimme. Now we'll take it apart. You want to learn? Daddy will show you.